Hey yo! Well, I know what I'm doing this afternoon. It's not quite lunchtime yet. I'll be another hour, I suppose, by the time I wash up and clean up and that sort of thing. So early day for me today. I'll be fixing my mixer. Yeah, far out. It's a brand new mixer. Today is the first time I'm using it, and the switch had jammed. I plugged it in and it just went spinning until it all tangled up and broke the cord, and then it had no power to carry on. Well, you get that? So what I'm doing now, I've done like where the bath goes, that's slightly sloping. I've done my shower, a shower in the middle of the bathroom, but you advise the owners against it, sort of thing. They still want it, so you just do it. But it'll come out alright. But I don't like the idea of splashed water going, because there's not going to be any screen where the bath is going, only a screen here. So you've got, when you're washing your hair and that, you're splashing everything. Nah. Anyway, I've advised the owners not to do it, and they want it like that, so that's what we're doing. And that's that. So I'm just zapping the rail out to my door, and then I'll just bring it all this way. I'm mixing out, I've only got 2 or 3 buckets to go. I'm mixing out in the garage because I've just run out of room. I've been spoiled doing bigger bathrooms, and you have a lot more room to move. But this is still nearly 6 square meters floor area. But I can't stipulate it enough, you know. People always put down your slurry. Whether it's raw cement and water or your glue. If you buy the bagged sand and cement mud, like I do, and you mix it a little bit too runny, well, just leave it for a little while. It doesn't take long to dry. See, all the time when you're pulling back, you're always watching your ends. I thought my phone was pocket calling, but no, that's good. That's a bit of glue I was wanting to stick. Wanting to stick to my wooden float. I don't reckon steel trowel, people. It looks pretty, but it gives a bit of grip for everything. Like the, you know, the waterproof. It's not a shiny surface. I maintain that a little bit rougher surface, like a wooden float surface, is better to glue to and better to waterproof to. Right, some more mud, bit more slurry. So I'll do a couple of buckets and see where it brings me to. I'll see you soon. G'day everyone. I've been asked by a few people, can I show them how I do the doorway? Well, this is how. I'm going to be sloping it down to that tile. This is all going to be tiled, by the way. I take that doorstop off. Another thing that the owner wants. So what I do now is what I'm going to be doing is on the inside of this jam I run through a piece of aluminium, the same as what I'm going to be doing there. That is my water stop, and I slope it from the aluminium down to this tile. So you'll see it over a couple of videos. I can't show it to you all at once because I'm not there yet. Sometimes it's better to take your mud out, and then, because you can have too much sometimes. but I'll probably, I don't know. It's a little bit tricky to take it out because I've got a little bit of grout and stuff like that. So we'll form it up. Let's form it up. A little bit tricky. What I should do, people, is try and get my tile pretty much flush. I don't want to be sticking up. Yeah, take it out, Chriso. Will be better, I think. Yeah, I need to clean that out. I haven't cleaned it out properly in my demolition. So what I need to do is just put my grinder in there, clean it out, chisel it out. And then slope my tile will be on that, so I slope it from there down. It'll look pretty cool. It'll look like it's meant to be. Right, I can now do a bit of a clean up. I come back, I turn the fan on, I come back in a couple of days and I'll waterproof it, and that'll be halfway through another fantastic bathroom. I still don't like the shower in the middle, but anyway. Everyone to their own. I need to just trim it a little. I'll run a straight edge. Oh, I haven't got a clean one. I'll run a straight edge through on the outside here so I can cut away that chip, and that's uneven as well. I can even it up, run my grinder through, even it up, and then go from there down to there. I don't need to waterproof that because my aluminium is going across there and it's all siliconed in. No water then gets past. I've got to put a bit of cement sheet up there when I come back. Okay people, we'll see you soon.